During the construction of our documentary, we used the software of Premiere Pro. I learned how to add titles, cut, and also fade in the music bed. I hadn't used Premiere Pro before, so this was new to me, and I feel like I improved a lot since AS. The first thing we needed to do in the timeline was to create the name credits for the group. This simply consisted of going into the Titles tab and creating a text box in which we input the names and dragged it from the project folder onto the timeline, making it visible for around 2 to 3 seconds. For me to learn cut-ins, it was important that we imported the first clip of the background footage for the opening montage into the Media Editor tab and placed an in and out point for the clip. This meant that the clip was cut into the length it needed to be to keep the purpose pace of the initial minute. For music, we did add one piece of music under the montage and another beneath the introduction clip. This was to keep the documentary interesting and lift the pace and atmosphere of the piece at this stage. Allowing the music to change seamlessly, a fade was added to the end of the piece and second piece of music so that the sound would drop off in time for the next clip. During A2, I used a lot of software, especially for research. I used eMaze. eMaze helped me create a presentation on my magazine. I learned how to insert text, make the font size different, and apply pictures. Adding text into eMaze is pretty easy. You just have to click onto the pre-holder text and apply your own content. You can also change the font size by dragging the text button up and down to make it bigger or smaller. You can easily replace the placeholder image by clicking on the Replace Image icon, then selecting your own image from the folders. Something that I didn't know is that you can also upload a picture from your own computer or paste a link from the web. A lot of software allows you to embed and share your presentations or other media that you've created. This is something that helped me, especially when making my A2 projects. Once our eMaze was created, we had to learn how to share and embed onto our Blogger. So we had to locate the share button. Once we located the share button, we had to click embed. Copy the eMaze embed code provided and paste it into Blogger. Inside your Blogger, post the editor and the HTML button. Inside the Blogger, post editor, click the HTML button. Paste the embed code you copied right into the editor. Then you will successfully embedded your presentation. In planning for our radio, we used the software of GarageBand. I had to first use a tutorial for GarageBand as I didn't really know how to use it. I later learnt how to apply special effects, cut-ins, applying sound and layering. To get special effects, you have to click the loop icon in the upper right hand corner to open the loop browser and then the column icon to use the column browser. You then have to select genres and then jingles and then choose from the subcategories. Once you've found one you like, click and drag its name into the empty space in your timeline to create a new track. You can also drag it into the second track if you do not have recordings already in it. For my evaluation, I used an app called Recorder. This allowed me to record my voiceovers for my videos and evaluations. I learned how to share, record audio, lock audio, and make new folders. I also learned how to copy it onto my phone. In order to share, you have to click the icon at the bottom left-hand corner. This allows you to share it onto WhatsApp or even copy it onto your own phone. You can also share it between people. I also learned how to make new folders and create this in order to keep everything that I've just recorded all together. I learned how to lock my app by locking folders using my passcode or fingerprint. This kept everything safe.